They posted a lot on social media. Could you share with us some of the things you found in your reporting?
Drinking champagne on private jets, private yachts, wearing Prada clothes, giving birthday gifts of Range Rovers and Escalades.
So to everyone watching at home, those are your tax dollars that went to this family that fraudulently defrauded you, the American people, and your home and your families of the resources that you deserve. So, Mr. Chairman, I congratulate you again on the first hearing of this task force, and I congratulate our witnesses. Thank you for helping us do a better job serving the American people. Thank you.
Thank you, and I will now recognize myself for 5 minutes for the purpose of asking questions. Mr. Rosiak and all the witnesses, thank you all again for coming here. Mr.